What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I want to talk about 3 reasons why you should buy the Pixel 5a 5G. This is Google's 2021 mid-range device that is both a successor to the Pixel 4a and 4a 5G, which means, guys, it's a great phone. In fact, I believe that whether a heavy user or not, anyone can essentially use a Pixel 5a. Anyway, let's dive right into the video. Number 1 is battery life, and the Pixel 4a from last year had really good battery life, especially in my use. And for those who use the Pixel 4a 5G, they say that also had really good battery life. Well, how about the Pixel 5a? It's even better. With its large 4,680 mAh battery, the Pixel 5a performs like a champ. I typically start the day at 8 a.m. and end around 10 p.m. with about 40% of battery life left. I feel comfortable when using the Pixel 5a because I don't need to worry about charging the phone throughout the day. I am a heavy user, so I play Call of Duty Mobile and watching YouTube videos a lot. I'm frequently on my phone. However, the 5a is able to withstand everything I do and get me throughout the day. So for those of you who are light users and don't use their phones as often, the Pixel 5a should be able to last more than a day without charging. That's because the Snapdragon 765 processor isn't a power-hungry processor, so it doesn't need to push much power. No high refresh rate, no high resolution like no 2K or 4K display, no high-end processor. Large battery though. The long battery life is going to be a huge plus and is definitely a reason why you should pick up or at least consider picking up the Pixel 5a. Number 2 is camera. Guys, this is a Pixel. We can't have a video without talking about the Pixel camera. That means amazing camera experience. The Pixel 5a borrows the same camera lens from the Pixel 5, which means amazing quality, at least for stills. The results you get from this phone really makes you wonder if a $449 device can perform this well. Then how can the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro perform? They're going to be really good flagship devices. Well, guys, Google has nailed computational photography, and the pair of a 16 megapixel ultra wide, which now has a wider field of view as a second lens, is perfect and much better than a telephoto as its second lens that they use on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Night sight on the Pixel 5a, and just like other Pixels, is a different story. It's dope. And I still think night sight on Pixel devices performs the best in terms of night mode photos on any devices. If you're looking for a device with an amazing camera, especially in the mid-range segment, the Pixel 5a should be on the top of your list. And the reason why I say this, guys, a lot of people and a lot of consumers, they're going to pull out their phone and they're just going to click that button and they're going to take the photo. Not a lot of people, in essence, really go deep down into the camera settings and play with the settings. A lot of people just want to take out their phone, pull out the camera, turn on the camera app, and take that photo, and that's it. And the Pixel 5a does that really well. And last but not least is, guys, it's gonna be the price. Now, I've been hearing a lot of things about, man, the Pixel 5a is more expensive than the Pixel 4a, it's larger, this and that. But guys, the Pixel 5a, I think it's priced pretty well. So it comes in one size and one configuration for $449, 120 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM, and one color called mostly black, which I think it's kind of a little bit black and mostly green. There's been a lot of talk that the price is not worth it, like I just said, and there should have been an extra couple features like wireless charging and a 90Hz display. And look, I do agree, I wish it had a 90Hz display and wireless charging. And we all know that if it did, though, the Pixel 4a and the price of it would have been more than $450. Now, the Pixel 4a 5G also does not include these features and is priced at $50 more for $499. With the Pixel 5a, you're getting a slightly larger display at 6.34, but that's due to the larger aspect ratio, but a much larger battery than the Pixel 4a 5G, and obviously the Pixel 4a coming in at 4,680 mAh. For the price, an amazing camera, amazing battery life, and clean stock Android, Guys, I really don't think you can go wrong. This is a refresh of the Pixel. Just think about it like this: a refresh of the Pixel 4a 5G for 2021 with a lower price tag and a larger display, or slightly larger. Let's put it that way: a slightly larger display with a much larger battery and IP67 rating, which means, guys, it's dust and water resistant. We didn't have that with the Pixel 4a 5G, so. Guys, I think this is a Pixel 4a 5G successor for 2021, and I think it's priced fairly well. Anyway, that about wraps up this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video as it does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. I've always enjoyed Google Pixel's A lineup, and the Pixel 5a is no different. This is where Google is performing super well, in my opinion. I think their A lineup in general, not just with their Pixel device, but also from what I'm seeing with their Pixel Buds A, I think those are performing really well. They're great. They're honestly great. I have so much more Pixel content coming real soon to the channel, so stay tuned, and if you haven't, be sure to subscribe to the channel. But guys, that's been it for me. I'll see you all in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.